Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to automatically hide taskbar. At first, we will see why this is needed. See, taskbar is occupying some amount of space in bottom of the screen. To utilize maximum of display, we need this taskbar to hide in some apps. Like we need now Explorer. See, even taskbar is occupying some amount of display space. To completely use display, we need this taskbar to get hidden. For that, we will go to settings, personalize, and here click on taskbar behavior. See, automatically hide the is off. Now I will turn it on. See, taskbar got automatically hidden. Now I got complete display. I can utilize display completely. Now, when I go to desktop, see, for going to desktop, I used Windows D that will open desktop directly. See, now whenever I don't need, taskbar get automatically hidden. Now, see, I have two apps in minimize. See, no taskbar. Whenever I need, taskbar will come and go. That's it. Thank you.